Hey, welcome back, Math Guru. Today's video will focus on multiplying fractions by a whole number. It says Maddie babysits 3 weeks. The shaded part of the model represents the fraction of each week she babysits at night. Write an expression that can be used to determine the number of weeks Maddie babysits at night over these 3 weeks. So, expression means we're not solving. Equation has an equal sign and we're getting an answer. For this video, we're going to go ahead and do both. So there are 2 correct answers. You could do 3/7 plus 3/7 plus 3/7. Now, multiplying is just repeated addition. In order to kind of bring it up to a 5th grade standard, it would actually be 3 groups of 3/7. If you wanted to actually solve it, which is what we're going to do in this video, how many 7ths make up one whole? So if you look at the key, all 7 of them are shaded. All 7 is one entire week or one whole. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 8. We have 9 7ths. If you notice on the expression, it's still equal to 9. So you have 9 7ths. Now we already know that 7 of them make up one whole. So well, I'm not redoing it. We'll just bear with me. One whole and 2 7ths is your final answer. If you only were sticking with the expression, both of these would work. This is probably a little more appropriate for 5th grade, but they both work. So for this one, it says Avery has 20 TikTok videos. 2/5 of the videos have over 20 likes. Use the representation to determine how many videos Avery has over 20 likes. That's what it's supposed to say. Sorry, not redoing the video. Bear with me. So the representation, which are the tiles, are the 20 TikTok videos. So there are a couple of ways to present this. You can just go through 2/5, 2/5. And so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. So that is actually the answer. However, I want to show it a different way because you've been drawing fraction bars for as long as you can remember. So this is just another option. Break it up into 5 parts. Now, all 5 out of 5 is one whole. In this case, our whole is 20. So in other words, if all 5 of them are 20, then each one would be 4. Now, we only care about 2/5. So we'll shade in 2/5. So in other words, 8 have more than 20 likes. And if you wanted to figure out the knot, 4 times 3 is 12. So 12 have less than 20 likes. So, but our actual answer is the 8. So you see 4 plus 4 is 8. All right, well, I hope this video helped. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.